Today, the concentration of my talk was how to use the green energy efficiently, and we really concentrated on photovoltaic based energy, though we have another solution that is concentrated solar power, which is using big discs and then generating steam and then running steam turbines and then generating power. Today's talk we concentrated on a medium range solar power systems, basically for residential and big commercial complexes, rooftop systems, and how to design those systems, what type of systems are available, how to use them the best possible manner, and then possibility of exporting power, each house generating its own power, exporting, making zero electricity homes, so that in the year your average bill is zero. So whatever power you are importing, at least that much power you are exporting, and so that you can make a zero electricity home, which of course needs policy change. What has happened in America, so many states have now come forward. They are allowing export of energy and they are giving credit to the consumers. Unless we have some changes in the policy, and lot of discussion was there, policy changes, and whether really subsidy is going to help. Why not we design a system where price can really come down, like it's coming down for solar panels. What we were having 100 rupees per watt 5 years ago, now we are talking of 62 rupees, and we go to megawatt level, it is coming to 48 rupees. It may further come down to 35, and then the time has come for solar power, so that it can be put to use in a bulk manner. All this is happening. Government is also helping these projects, grid connected projects. Lot of subsidies being given, and then there is a purchase obligation on electricity over discoms. They have to buy solar power as a purchase obligation. What we are selling at now 15 rupees, it has come down to 9 rupees. It may achieve grid parity after some time. We can probably touch 5 rupees, 6 rupees. The way things are moving is in the right direction. Present rate, we have become little cheaper than even diesel. That is a very, very important point. It's a pollution free power, cheaper than diesel, and further prices are going to come down.